Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out of your Ladbrokes account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go ahead and open up your Ladbrokes app on your device as you normally would. Make sure you're signed in. Now from here you want to click onto the soccer ball icon, bottom right hand corner of the page where it says more. And now from here we want to scroll down and then we want to click onto withdraw. And then we've got a few different ways how to withdraw your cash. We've got a bank transfer or PayPal. So if you want to do a bank transfer, click on bank transfer, put in your bank name, account holder name, put in the BSP number, account number, and date of birth verification, then click continue. Likewise, if you want to do PayPal, go ahead and click on PayPal, and you need to link your PayPal account to your Ladbrokes app to make withdrawals to PayPal. And in order to do so, they say you must make a successful PayPal deposit before you can withdraw via PayPal. So from here, just click on deposit now. Put in minimum deposit is $5, like so. And then click on PayPal. That's going to redirect you to PayPal. Put in your details in PayPal. And that's going to go through the process to send money